Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, children. We are here to learn the Quran and talk in Arabic. كيف حالكم? How are you all doing? Wow! Isn't it exciting that you can learn Quran and Arabic at the same time? I'm sure it is. So let's buckle up and start. من شر الوسواس من شر الوسواس. Repeat after me again. من شر الوسواس من شر الوسواس الخناس الخناس. من شر الوسواس من شر الوسواس الخناس الخناس. من شر الوسواس من شر الوسواس الخناس الخناس. من شر الوسواس الخناس. Ouch! I think that was a mosquito that just bit me. Yeah, I'm okay. Okay, let's continue. من شر الوسواس الخناس. Combine everything together. من شر الوسواس الخناس من شر الوسواس الخناس. MashaAllah, fantastic. Ra with fatha, thick, gives power in your sound and looks really nice in recitation. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You saw that Bismillahirrahmanirrahim does not look good. But if you recite Bismillahirrah, Ra has fatha. That's why you say in a thick way. Bismillahirrah, Bismillahirrahman. And Allah, no, you say Allah, Ar-Rahim. Ra, Ru, always thick. We are here to learn the Quran and talk in Arabic. So, buckle up and let's go and learn how to recite Quran properly. The first word we have is رَبِّهِ رَبِّكَ صِرَاطًا رِزْقٌ. Again, رَبِّهِ رَبِّكَ صِرَاطًا رِزْقٌ. The next word we have is رَبِّهِمْ. Make sure that your ra is nice. رَبِّهِمْ رَبِّكُمَا وَرَسُولَهُ ذِكْرِي ذِكْرِي. رَبِّي أَكْثَرُ. Do not say أكثر but أكثر. إبراهيم إبراهيم. أمري أمري. The next set of words, again, make sure that you understand that ra, whenever you have the a or the u sound, you will say it in a thick way, and if it is e, then we say it in a thin way. رَبَّنَا أَكْثَرُهُمْ كَثِيرًا. Not كثيرا, but كثيرا كثيرا. أجر. Yes, that's how we're going to do it. وَالْأَرْضِ وَالْأَرْضِ الْأَرْضِ. أَرْسَلْنَا وَاصْبِرْ وَاصْبِرْ. Not وَاصْبِرْ, but وَاصْبِرْ وَاصْبِرْ. الْقُرْآنُ. Not al-Quranu, but القرآن أكبر أكبر العرش فرعون فرعون. Now we come to again a set of 4 words, very important. والفجر والفجر والعصر شكر حجر. Again, والفجر والعصر شكر حجر. Concentrate on the ra. والفجر والعصر شكر حجر. Now we go and recite the next 3 set of words. بالمرصاد بالمرصاد قرطاس فرقة. Again, listen carefully. بالمرصاد قرطاس فرقة. خير طير سير غير. Very important. خير, not خير, but خير. Very nice. طا and تا. Make sure that you pronounce the طا, not the تا. Here we have طا. طير سير غير. Children, we will continue to learn how to write in Arabic. Welcome to a brand new lesson where I will teach you how to write Arabic, because it's a lot of fun and very interesting. Make sure that you don't make any mistake. Any small mistake will result in a huge difference in meanings. So let's take the challenge of learning how to write in Arabic. Let me grab my marker and board and teach you how to write the first word for today, which is صراط. So first I'm gonna write the صا and put the kasra صي, and then I write the ra with the fatha and the alif صراط, and then let me write the ta and the fatha صراط. Take your pen and paper now and watch and write with me. The sa and the ra with the kasra, it becomes صي, ra, alif, with the and the fatha. I'm so glad that you're learning in such a nice way. Do not discontinue. Now we will take the second word in our lesson, which is rizqun. Rizqun has again very simple letters. The first letter is ra with a kasra, that becomes ri, and then the za has sukun, so we write ra and ra, but on the next letter you put a dot, that becomes za, and then you put a sukun, that becomes rizq, and then you write the qa with the dots, and then the 2 dhamma, that becomes rizqun. Let me tell you that please follow with me with your pen and paper. Ri with the kasra, the za with the sukun, and then the qa with 2 dots and the 2 dhamma. Rizqun. MashaAllah. That's wonderful. I wish that you will continue with us until the end. So I'll see you very soon. Make sure that the 2 words that you have remaining in this lesson, you practice that on your own, which is Rabbihi and ربك أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. MashaAllah, that was the complete testimony of our faith. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. But what does it mean? Well, we learned that in our previous lessons. And the reason why you know that is because you are learning Arabic, and that too with actions. So let's go and learn Arabic with actions. In this lesson, we learn Anni means with me. Anna means with us. Anni means with me. Anna means with us. Anni means with me. Anna means with us. Now it's your turn. Please repeat after me in Arabic. Anni, anna. Anni, anna. Excellent. Again. Anni, anna. Anni, anna. Again. Anni, anna. Again. Anni, anna. MashaAllah. Now repeat with me slowly. Anni, anna. Yes. Anni, anna. Again. Anni, anna. For the last time. Anni, anna. MashaAllah, that was fabulous. Let us practice what we have learned so far. Anhu means with him. Anhum means with them. Anka means with you. Ankum means with you all. Anni means with me. Anna means with us. Again, Anhu means with him. Anhum means with them. Anka means with you. Ankum means with you all. Anni means with me. Anna means with us. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me in Arabic. Anhu, anhum. Anhu, anhum. Yes. Anka, ankum. Anka. Anni, anna. Anni, anna. Right on. Again. Anhu, anhum. Anhu, anka, ankum. Anni, anna. Anni, anna. For the last time. Anhu, anhum. Anhu, anhum. Anka, ankum. Anka. Anni, anna. Anni, anna. MashaAllah, that was excellent. Wow, children, I'm so excited to teach you Quran and talk in Arabic at the same time. I'm sure that all of you are so excited at the same time, and I'm sure that all of us will see each other in our next class. That's all for now. See you next class. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids, and a Teachers Resource Center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum